what is the zero of this radical function? Well, the zero of the radical function is where the graph crosses the x-axis, and it crosses here at -4, which is actually the only answer that you can see on my screen right now, which is -4. I do want to flip over and look at a problem here, not that one. Problem number 10 here, and it's also what is the zero of the function. I'm going to go ahead and solve this problem, and then I also will show you how to do it on Desmos. I think that this is a good way to refresh your memory from section 7.2 where we solved. And as I pull my iPad away here, f of x equals 7 times the cube root of x plus 12 minus 21. Instead of writing f of x, I'm going to put 0 equals 7 times the cube root of x plus 12 minus 21. Well, remember we need to isolate the root, so this time it's going to be the cube root. So I'll start by adding the 21 over to the other side. And we get 21 equals 7 times the cube root of x plus 12. Well, it's 7 times that value, so we need to undo, because we're, again, still going through the process of trying to isolate. And 21 divided by 7 is 3. And now it's 3 equals the cube root of x plus 12. Well, in order to undo that cube root, we need to use its inverse operation, which is cubing. And if we cube the left side, also known as the right side, if we cube the right side, we also have to cube the left side. And cube rooting and cubing cancel each other out. 3 cubed is 27. Type it into Desmos or your calculator if you don't know that. And subtract 12 from both sides. We get x equals 15, which, when we go over here back to the problem, we see x equals 15. Now, I do want to flip over and look at Desmos here just for a second, because some of you will do that. But I typed in 7 times the cubed root of x plus 12 minus 21. I wanted to type it in ahead of time because it takes me a while. I do want to remind you that if you need to type in the cube root, you go to Functions, and then come over here to Miscellaneous, and then it's going to be this button right here, which I just messed up my whole graph there, but let's see if I can get rid of that. Again, Functions, Miscellaneous, and then this button right there. So, but I have it typed in, and if we look at the picture here, we get that here, and I'm going to slide it around a little bit, but there what we see is we see where the graph crosses the x-axis at 15. I like the other way of actually solving it, but I don't want to overlook how we could use graphing to solve it.